So third example here, minus 1 minus I is there. So take care of solution. So Z is equal to A plus I into B is equal to minus 1 minus I is there. Therefore A is equal to minus of 1 here and B is equal to minus 1. Therefore modulus of the complex number is given by root of minus 1 square plus minus 1 square here. It gives a root of 2 here. Next, amplitude of the complex number is theta is equal to amplitude of the complex number Z is equal to, here both are negative. So A negative and B is a negative, minus pi minus tan inverse P by A. Therefore minus of pi minus tan inverse of 1 upon 1 here. So 1 divided by 1. Therefore this equal to minus of pi minus tan inverse of 1 is pi by 4 here. Therefore this equal to minus of 3 pi divided by 4. Therefore amplitude of the complex number is minus 3 by 4. Then the polar form. Polar form is Z is equal to R into bracket cos theta plus I into sin of theta. Then the R value is root 2s into cos of minus 3 pi divided by 4 plus I into sin of minus 3 pi by 4. In the next example here, in this case, Z is equal to A plus I into B. Minus 3 is that minus 3 can be written as minus 3 plus I into 0. Hence A is equal to minus 3 and B is equal to 0. Then R is equal to modulus of the complex number Z is equal to root of minus 3 square plus 0 square here. Square root of 9 it gives 3. Modulus of the complex number is 3. So modulus of the complex number Z is 3. Then theta is equal to amplitude of the complex number Z is equal to, you can take care, A is a negative, B positive. A negative, B positive, so pi minus. So pi minus of tan inverse of 0.3. Therefore pi minus of tan inverse of 0. Therefore pi minus of 0, it gives a pi. Tan inverse of 0 is 0. This is a pi. Then the polar form is polar form of the complex number is Z is equal to R into bracket cos theta plus I into sin theta here. R value is 3. 3 into cos pi plus I into sin pi. 3 into cos pi plus I into sin pi. Okay, here take a solution. Z is equal to A plus I into B is equal to root 3 plus I. Hence A is equal to root 3 and B is equal to 1 here. So R is equal to modulus of the complex number Z is equal to root of root 3 square here plus 1 square. So 3 plus 1 becomes 4. Square root of 4 is 2 here. Hence modulus of Z here. Modulus of Z is 2 here. Then the theta is equal to amplitude of Z here. Amplitude of the complex number Z is equal to, here both are positive here. Therefore tan inverse of 1 by root 3 1 upon root 3. Therefore, tan inverse of 1 by root 3 is pi by 6 here. It is pi by 6. Next, the polar form is polar form of the complex number is z equal to r into bracket cos theta plus I into sin theta. R value is 2x. So write here 2 into cos of pi by 6 plus I into sin of pi by 6 here. The next one here I is there. So here also z is equal to a plus I into b can be written as 0 plus I into 1 here. Therefore a is equal to 0 and b is equal to 1 here. R is equal to modulus of the complex number z root of 0 square plus 1 square, it gives 1 here. So modulus of z here, modulus of z is 1 here. Then amplitude of the complex number here. Here both are positive here. Cancel. So tan inverse of 1 by 0 means infinity here. Tan inverse of infinity means pi by 2 here, entity. Therefore polar form is the complex number z is equal to r into cos theta plus I into sin theta. Then r value is 1 here. Cos of pi by 6 plus pi by 2 here plus I into sin of pi by 2 here. So I can be written as 1 into cos pi by 2 plus I sin pi by 2 here. So find the conjugate of the complex number here. So let us consider z is equal to 3 minus 2i into 2 plus 3i divided by 1 plus 2i into 2 minus I. Take a given complex number as z here. Therefore this is equal to multiply the numerator terms here. 3 2s are 6 here. So write here 6. 3 3s are 9 plus 9i. Minus 2 into 2 becomes a minus 4i. Minus into plus minus of 2 3s are 6i square here. Divided by 1 into 2 becomes a 2. 1 into minus I is a minus I. 2i into 2 becomes 4i. 2i into I becomes 2i square here, minus of 2i square. Therefore this is equal to, right here 6. 9i minus 4i, it gives a 5i here. So plus 5i divided by, and the minus 6i square is I square is minus 1 here, minus this minus becomes plus here. So plus 6 divided by, write this 2 here, 4i minus I becomes 3i. Plus 3i and I square is a minus 1, minus into minus becomes plus 2. Therefore this equal to 6 plus 6 becomes 12 plus 5i divided by 2 plus 2 becomes 4 plus 3 into I. Okay, this is the complex number here, z. Now we rationalize here. Therefore this is equal to 12 plus 5i divided by 4 plus 3 into I. Further you simplify, so multiplying numerator and denominator by 4 minus 3i. This is called rationalization here. Multiplying 4 minus 3 and dividing by 4 minus 3i here. Then multiply the terms here. 12 4s are 48 here plus 48. 12 3s are 36 minus 36i. 5 4s are 20 plus 20i plus into minus of 5 3s are 15 I square divided by product of the denominators is 4 square minus 3 square into I square. Therefore, here z is equal to 48 here. Then minus 36 plus 20 gives minus 16i. Minus of 16i. And I square is a minus 1 here. Minus into minus plus. So plus 15 divided by 4 square is 16 here. And I square is a minus 1. Minus into minus plus here. Plus 3 square is a 9. Therefore, z is equal to 48 plus 15 here. 48 plus 15, 63. So 63 minus of 16i, 16 plus 9 becomes 25. Therefore, z is equal to, you can write here 63 by 25 minus of I into 16 divided by 25. So it's a simplification is this again. Here we want it's a conjugate here. Therefore, conjugate of z is z bar. Just change its sign here. 63 by 25 plus I into 16 divided by 25. So this is answer here. Here we find modulus and argument of the complex number here. So let us consider z is equal to 1 plus I divided by 1 minus I here. Now you rationalize here 1 plus I divided by 1 minus I into multiplying numerator and denominator by 1 plus I here. Minus I is there, taking plus sign 1 plus I upon 1 minus I. It is called rationalization here. Then 1 plus I into 1 plus I becomes 1 plus I whole square here divided by 1 minus I into 1 plus I gives 1 square minus of I square. Then expand the numerator terms here 1 square plus I square here plus 2I divided by, so 1 plus 1 here, because I square is a minus 1 here, minus minus become plus here. Then this is equal to 1 square is a 1 here, I square is a minus of 1 plus 2I divided by 2 here, plus 1 minus 1 cancels here, therefore 2I divided by 2, this 2 cancels here. Hence z is equal to I is there, so the I term is there. You have to find a modulus and amplitude of the complex number here. Therefore, let z is equal to a plus I into b is equal to 0 plus I into 1 here. Right, this I has 0 plus I into 1. Therefore, a value is 0 and b value is 1. Then r is equal to modulus of z is equal to root of 0 square plus 1 square here gives 1 here. Therefore, modulus of z here. Modulus of z is 1 here. Then you find the argument of the complex number. Theta is equal to argument of the complex number z equal to, both are positive here. Therefore, tan inverse of 1 divided by 0. That is tan inverse of infinity. It is pi divided by 2. Hence, argument of the complex number is pi divided by 2. 90 degree.